Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the pharmacy management system using Python. So let's open terminal by writing cmd. Then user have to run the pharmacy system.py file. It will open the login page. So let's enter the username and password. If the user click on the reset button, then it will reset all those entry. Let's enter again. And the last one is exit button. If you press yes, then it will close the software, or else no. And let's log in. These are the options like login, pharmacy stock, purchase, sale and billing system. So let's open pharmacy stock and it will open the medicine stock window. User have to enter all those medicine information like medicine reference number, medicine name, description, number of tablets, issued date, expiry date, daily dose, side effect, buying price, storage advice, product ID, product name, category and selling price. So let's enter one by one. Like reference number 1, medicine name paracetamol, description fever related, number of tablets 10, issued date 09/10/2020. This is the issue date and enter the expiry date 2024. Daily dose 1, side effect no side effects, buying price 50, storage advice, refrigerator, product ID 100, product name paracetamol, category like tablet, selling price. So we have buy in 50 rupees and sell in 70 rupees, and then click on add medicine button. So it will store data in database. If you click on reset button, it will reset all those value which you have entered. You can check like scroll right side. It will show the complete details in the database. User can search through name. Let's enter one more detail like reference number 2, medicine name Disprin, description cold, number of tablets 20, issue date 09/11/2020, expiry date 10/1/2024, daily dose 2, side effects no side effects, buying price 40, storage advice, product ID 002, product name Disprin, category like capsule, selling price. So we have buy in 40 rupees and sell in 80 rupees. Then click on add medicine. So you can see like two details entered. Let's search with the name like Disprin and click on search. So it will show the details that particular row too. And if you click on the show all button, it will show all those details which database contain. User can also reset the value, exit, update, search by reference and delete medicine. So let's delete the medicine. Like let's search from the reference number. If you press search by reference, then it will show that particular one row. Let's close it. Enter the username and password again, and then click on login button and go to the purchase section. This will be the purchase section. User have to enter the reference number, medicine name, like reference number 1, medicine name Comiflam, product ID #07, product name Combi, category tablet, vendor name cold, description headache tablet, quantity 40, price 100, and the date 09/11/2020, and then click on purchase button. So it will store that particular data, and if you click on reset button, then it will reset all those value which you have entered. So let's again enter one more detail, like medicine reference number 2, medicine name Disprin, product ID 08, product name Disprin, category capsule, vendor name Disprin, description cold related, quantity 90, price 400, date 09/101 2018. So let's click on purchase button. So it will store the data in database. Okay, user can search by name or reference ID. So let's search from the reference ID, and also search from the name, like Disprin. If you click on solve button, then it will show all the details which you have entered, and user can update, delete, and exit operation. Okay, so let's click on exit button and go to sales section. Now here user have to enter the sales entry, like medicine reference number 09, medicine name paracetamol, product ID 03, product name paracetamol, like para, category tablet, customer name Yash, description headache, headache purpose, quantity 90, and price and date. Then click on sell button, so it will store the data in database. Okay, let's click on exit button and say yes, and go to billing section. Then it will open the billing window. User have to enter the payment information, like bill number, medicine name, medicine reference number, quantity, product ID, price, customer name, payment method, and total price. So let's enter one by one detail, like billing number 011, medicine name Disprin, medicine reference number 10,000, quantity 50, product ID 03, price 500, customer name Yash Sony, payment method you can select like Visa card, Pentium, MasterCard. Okay, payment method will be cash, and total price 8,000, and click on add bill. So it will store the data in database. User can also print that particular bill. Let's click on reset button, so it will reset all the value. This is the complete project. This project developed using Python programming language and Tkinter modules to develop the graphical user interface. So these are like login, pharmacy stock, purchase, sale, billing system. Like whenever user enter the admin and password, so it will give the login and user can access all those functionality, or else it will be disabled. This is the purchase section, sales section, and the billing system. Okay, let's click on exit, and thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.